So, what is happening here? What's the project?
Basically, a key making project, a
Key
duplicate,
making project.
key making project. The reason behind for choosing this project, like one of our colleague fellow has recently incident. He just lost his key in the motor cars.
Oh, okay.
And after that, he just went to the key making shop. He just charged 200 or 300 rupees for that.
Uh-huh.
So after that, we a little discussion on it, and after that, we decided that we go through on this particular a unique idea, which take towards the markets and provide a business to the on a smaller scales like Mr. West. Basically, he is belongs to a poor family. He wants to motivate himself and support his family as well for their social respect as well as family respect from the society. So our main group team to decide to work on it, we just do a survey from different market for about the costing of the machines and different accessories of that. After that, we just decided to go through the actual cost of this machine, basically around about 12,000 rupees.
The basic startup costs 12,000.
Of
So this is the machine,
and this is
and the
big
keys,
which
the beginning
makes,
of the and the cabinet,
cabinet and the accessories. Which,
the accessories, the tools.
Make some duplicate keys on it.
Uh-huh.
Furthermore, after that, basically the return on investment of that is 1,000 rupees, and the project basically is at least with the 10 months, and after that we hand it over to Mr. Awais, and they are owner of that particular.
Where is the shop going to be, or is it at his home?
It is just no, it is just near about the central jail near PIB colony.
Okay. How much is the rent? Who is paying the rent?
Basically, a corner which is already he has some different contacts over there. As a part of right now, we are just requesting to start from the business, and after that, a particular amount which is 200 or 300 rupees, they are furtherly paid after that.
Okay. How much is your profit sharing? How much profit are you taking back from him? What's your business model?
उसमें 10% basically है 10 exactly 10%. 90 to 10.
Oh, fantastic! So he is able to keep 90%. You take 10%. Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, and wishing you best of luck. Thank you.